I'm on Windows 11. I'm a Microsoft insider. And according to the latest news, spell checking in Notepad should now be available. But as you can see from this example, it obviously is not. At least I thought it wasn't. Actually, what it turns out to be is that it's not turned on. And the way to turn it on, if it's off for you and you're in the same situation that I am, do a right click on any of those words that you know for sure are spelled incorrectly. Go down to where it says spelling, and voila, you have a chance to turn on spell check, which is what I'll be doing right now. As soon as you do that, look at what happens. Now you've got the red underline under the misspelled words. So let's see what happens. Again, this time you do a left click on that highlighted misspelled word, and you can choose the correct. This one is wrong, but it didn't show it to me as wrong. This is also wrong. It didn't show it as wrong. This is also incorrect. It didn't show it. So as you can see, it works, but it's not really perfect. But it is a help. Let's hope your experience is better than mine. But at least you know if you're running an Insider and you have the latest Insider preview installed, spell check should now be on in Notepad. And if it's not showing up for you, do a right click on a misspelled word and turn it on. Good luck. Enjoy it. Bye-bye. I hope this helps.